Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the Campingaz Camping Chef DLX stainless infrared gas stove. A versatile and portable solution for your camping needs. Let's dive into the details and find out why this stove could be your next outdoor cooking companion. The Campingaz Camping Chef DLX is a dual-burner, highly portable gas stove that's perfect for car camping and beyond. While our coverage usually focuses on smaller camping stoves, this larger appliance has its own advantages, especially if you need to cook for multiple people. This stylish gas stove combines old-school design with modern features, making it a standout option. It boasts two 1500W burners, allowing you to use full-size pans and cook different dishes simultaneously. Additionally, the stove features a 1500W infrared grill with a grill pan for toasting or grilling your food while you cook. With child safety knobs, integrated windshields, and a convenient grill pan with optimized cooking and storage space. The Camping Chef DLX ensures a smooth and safe cooking experience. The portability of this stove is impressive, despite weighing 4 kilograms. It comes with a painted steel lid and a carry handle, making it easy to transport wherever you go. The chromed steel surface also makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring your stove stays looking great. During our test, the Camping Chef DLX performed exceptionally well. It cooked food and boiled water quickly, thanks to the powerful double 1500W output and the infrared grill. The infrared grill is a particularly useful feature that toasts bread while you cook, saving time and effort. Setting up the stove and cooking was a breeze, and the piezo igniters eliminated the need for carrying additional lighters or matches. After cooking, the stove cooled down quickly, thanks to its thin stainless steel body. To enhance your camping stove setup, consider using the Twin Connection CV/R regulator. This handy device allows you to connect cartridges or canisters to your Campingaz stove, offering the flexibility to switch fuel sources on the fly. This way, you'll never be caught without fuel during your camping trip. The Campingaz Camping Chef DLX stainless infrared gas stove is an excellent choice for car camping adventures. It balances classic design with modern functionality, and its portability and performance make it a valuable addition to your outdoor cooking gear. The stove is available for a recommended retail price of £100, but keep an eye out for deals to get the best value for your money. While it might not be suitable for backpacking due to its size, it's perfect for car camping and balcony cooking sessions. That wraps up our review of the Campingaz Camping Chef DLX. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on camping gear and outdoor gadgets. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!